Hi, Ken Swan, Service Manager here at City Mazda. This is our second installment in a video that we've produced to try to help our customers get a better understanding of our COVID-19 protocol. We've changed our hours of operations, as I mentioned in the first video, and of course have suspended our shuttle service and our waiting area. We have Devin, our customer, arriving here to the service reception area. He's parked his vehicle and is going to head down to fill out the after hours drop box, which is located behind the service reception staircase. He'll flip the lid up, grab an envelope. On it we'll have it highlighted on the areas that we would like to get completed by the customer. Name, phone number, that sort of information. Put your keys in the envelope and slide the envelope through the slot in the drawer, and we'll have one of the service advisors pick it up and write up a work order on it. Our master technician, Tim, is going to go out and receive the vehicle. He's already wearing latex gloves. Each technician wears latex gloves when servicing each vehicle. He'll put a seat cover in the vehicle for your protection and his protection, and throw down a floor mat as well. When the vehicle arrives into the shop, we have started to use a product called True Video. We've used it since late December. Some of our customers actually think that we started implementing this with the COVID-19 protocol, but we have not. True Video gives us the opportunity to speak to the customers through a video link that is sent to your phone or to your email. It's your technician talking to you as he services your vehicle. In this case here, we've got Kevin checking the vehicle over, looking for any additional issues that may arise, tire wear, brake wear, that sort of stuff. When you arrive back to the dealership, just give us a call. We'll make arrangements to have our valet bring the vehicle around for you. In it, we'll already have a prepaid invoice waiting for you on the passenger seat. Greg, our valet, will remove the seat cover and floor mat that we used in the process, and you can jump in your vehicle and you'll be on your way.